choosing the right glucometer is crucial for effective diabetes management. Here are 3 of the best glucometers available, known for their accuracy, ease of use, and helpful features. First, Accu-Chek Guide. Pros. Accuracy, highly accurate readings with advanced technology. Ease of use, user-friendly with a spill-resistant test strip container. Features, Bluetooth connectivity, easy-to-read display, and the MySugar app integration for tracking and analyzing data. Cons. Cost, test strips can be relatively expensive. Size, slightly bulkier than some other models. Sources. Accu-Chek Guide. Healthline. Next, Contour Next One. Pros. Accuracy, known for its high accuracy and consistency in readings. Ease of use, simple interface with smart features like a color-coded light indicator for high/low readings. Features, Bluetooth connectivity, integration with the Contour Diabetes app, and second-chance sampling, allows more blood to be added to the same strip if the first sample was insufficient. Cons. Price, slightly higher initial cost for the meter. App, some users find the app interface less intuitive. Sources. Contour Next One. Diabetes self-management. Finally, Freestyle Libre 2. Pros. Continuous monitoring, provides real-time glucose readings through a sensor worn on the body. Ease of use, no need for regular finger pricks, the sensor is scanned to get readings. Features, alarms for high/low glucose levels, mobile app for tracking, and 14-day sensor wear time. Cons. Cost, more expensive due to continuous monitoring system. Sensor replacement, sensors need to be replaced every 2 weeks. Sources. Freestyle Libre 2. Diabetes.co.uk. Each of these glucometers offers unique advantages, making them suitable for different needs. Accu-Chek Guide for its accuracy and user-friendly design. Contour Next One for its consistency and smart features. Freestyle Libre 2 for those who prefer continuous monitoring and convenience without finger pricks. Don't forget to like, comment, and consider subscribing for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching Cyber-Theo.